In episode 1, I discussed how a lot of people face frustrating trepidations about writing. You may need to write something or want to write something, but you're just not sure how or where to begin. A lot of this is down to not being able to focus or order your thoughts. So, in episode 1, I discussed the tip, create a story skeleton. And you do this by identifying everything it is you need to write about and then ordering them into a sequence. This gives you a roadmap for your writing going forward. But what if you've built your skeleton, but find you're still having a hard time starting the actual writing? You can't seem to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard, or know what those first words should be. On top of all that, a lot of people put pressure on themselves to get every one of those words perfect right from the start. Here's a tip. Get rid of this unneeded pressure and simply jump in and start writing where you feel most comfortable. There's no rule that says that your piece has to be written sequentially. Here's what you do. Review the bones of the skeleton and discern if there's somewhere in there that's a topic that you know really well. You're comfortable writing about it, you have something to say, that's where you start your writing. It's better to be creating content than wasting time ruminating on a problem. Once you've finished your first entry, jump to some of the other topic bones in the skeleton that come most easily to you. As you're writing these and filling them in, you may find that some of the other topic bones which were problematic are now becoming clearer as you're gaining a better understanding of what it is you're writing about. This new clarity may find you needing to revise your initial structure, as points reveal themselves as unnecessary, needing to be bundled under another topic, or may need a piece all their own. Here's another tip. Write the introduction last. It's a lot easier to write an effective introduction when you know exactly what it is that it's going to be describing. If you find you're still having problems getting the actual writing underway, stick around for episode 4. I'll be talking about how reading aloud and speaking can be great tools to use when filling in your skeleton. Let's recap today's key points. Start writing the topic bones that come most easily to you first. Continue to fill in the topic bones that are clearest to you, rather than feeling the need to write sequentially. Make any needed structural revisions to your skeleton as you work through completing your writing, bone by bone. Write the intro last, as you will then have a definitive idea of the contents of your piece. Until next time, this is Brent Wooten here at writingandeditingtipsandtricks.com. Keep moving and get the words out.